Namaskara, you are watching Trendline Times. I'm Uma. Today we covered the unfolding developments in the Dharmasthala mass burial allegations, strictly based on public facts and fully respecting the gag order. Mass burials, temple land, gag orders, police digging into sacred soil. What's really happening in Dharmasthala? This is not fiction, this is real, and we are unpacking it all. On July 3rd, a former sanitation worker unidentified for legal protection filed a complaint at Dharmasthala police station alleging he was coerced to bury bodies including women and children, many showing signs of sexual violence from 1995 to 2014. The police registered an FIR on July 4 under Section 211A of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita for hiding bodies. On July 11, he gave an official statement in the court under Section 183 of BNSS and handed over some bones that he had buried them himself. On July 19th, the Karnataka government constituted a special investigation team led by DGP Pranab Mohanty and assisted by senior IPS officers including Anuket Soumyalata and Dayama to probe all related cases and suspicious deaths linked to Dharmasthala. The temple administration released a statement welcoming the special investigation team's formation and called for a fair investigation. Additional police officers, about 20 in total, were added to reinforce the investigation strength and reach. On July 10, the whistleblower was granted legal protection under the Witness Protection Scheme amid intense public attention. His July 14 statement had leaked online, prompting his lawyers to raise concerns with authorities over witness safety and data privacy. On July 25th, the SIT officially took over the case files. The whistleblower gave a fresh statement, this time in front of senior officer DGP Mohanty. During these early interactions, investigators noticed a few inconsistencies that needed deeper follow-up. Then on July 28, special investigation teams visited Dharmasthala village for a detailed site inspection. Several suspected burial spots were examined with the complainant, forensic experts, and land and forest officials present. Each location was carefully marked and secured for proper examination. By July 31st, on the third day of digging, the team made a key discovery at Site 6. Partial skeletal remains were found about 4 feet underground. This marked a major step forward in the forensic investigation. On the fourth day of digging, August 1st, the special investigation team continued exhumation work at sites 7 and 8, including areas near the Netravati river bathing ghat. They used machines to dig up to 6 feet deep, but no human remains were found there. So far, 8 out of the 13 marked locations have been searched. Only Site 6 has given any evidence. 15 bone fragments were recovered, possibly from a male. A PAN card was also found at the same site. However, the identity and details are still waiting on forensic confirmation. Forensic experts are now testing the bones and surrounding soil from Site 6 to find out who the person was, their age, and how long ago they died. On July 18th, a civil court in Bengaluru passed a gag order after a petition by Harshendra Kumar D., the brother of the temple's Dharmadhikari. The order directed the removal of over 8,800 online links and temporarily stopped media from publishing or broadcasting any content seen as defamatory against the temple, its trustees, or related institutions. Later on July 23 and 24, the Supreme Court refused to hear a direct appeal from the YouTube channel Third Eye. Instead, the court advised to first approach the Karnataka High Court for relief, making it clear that lower courts should not be skipped. Media outlets and digital rights advocates have protested that gagging 390 platforms without hearing them could suppress legitimate public interest reporting and hindered the special investigation team itself. Groups including All India Democratic Women's Association have passed resolutions urging the government to ensure full autonomy for the special investigation team, robust protection for the whistleblower and legal team, and extension of the probe to earlier suspicious deaths in Dharmasthala, including cases involving Padmalata, Saujanya, Vedavalli and Yamuna dating back decades. As public pressure builds, political voices have entered the conversation. Opposition leaders in Karnataka have welcomed the special investigation team probe, urging transparency and justice. But some BJP leaders like R. Ashoka, B.Y. Vijayendra have warned that the investigation should not unfairly damage Dharmasthala's reputation or hurt people's religious sentiments. Meanwhile, questions have emerged about the SIT's leadership. IPS officer Soumyalata stepped down from the team citing personal reasons. At the same time, speculation has arisen over whether Special Investigation Team Chief Pranab Mohanty will continue following his appearance on the UPSC deputation list. Officials say no resignation has been offered yet, and the government is ready to appoint replacements if needed. With body recovery efforts underway and forensic teams digging deeper, this case is now at a crucial turning point, both legally and investigatively. Court hearings continue and key witness accounts are being cross-verified. At Trendline Times, we share the facts responsibly with care, clarity, and respect for the law. We don't rush to conclusions, but we don't look away either. If you value honest and responsible updates, do like, share, and subscribe. Nanu Uma Sigona Inondu Janartika Vishaya Jote. More may come to light. This might just be the beginning. Stay informed, stay responsible. Trendline Times, where we bring the past to the present.